guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my November favorites. I think this is the first time that I'm filming a monthly favorites video so soon. It's actually not soon, it's pretty much on time, so I'm glad I could manage this video on time. So yes, like always, my first category of monthly favorites are my two favorite YouTubers for the month. And the first YouTuber is my very dear friend Satyapriya, and her channel name is Beauty Maven. Recently she had done a Halloween makeup look, then peacock inspired makeup look, and now she's also done a bridal, classic bridal makeup look. So she is a pro again at her makeup skills. So if you would like to learn more from her, then please make sure you subscribe to her channel. It would mean a lot to me and to her if you would subscribe to her channel. And the second YouTuber is Swati, and her channel name is Swat's Paradise. So she is a certified makeup artist, and she also loves creating makeup looks, some celebrity inspired, some of her own. So please make sure you visit her channel as well, and please do subscribe to her channel too. It would really mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to both Satyapriya and Swati's channels. So those were my two favorite YouTubers for the month, and now let's go on to skincare. For the skincare this month, I just have one product that I had recently started using, and that is this L'Oreal City Face Mist. Now this is actually a sunscreen and it retails for rupees 7.99, which I know a lot of you might feel is very expensive. But the reason that I love it so much is it comes in a spray form. So I'm sure you guys already know that sunscreen needs to be reapplied every few hours. And if you're someone like me who loves to apply makeup, it's practically not possible to remove your makeup and then reapply the sunscreen or apply sunscreen on top of makeup. Since this comes in a spray form, you can reapply this on your face as and when you require. So I had taken this on my trip to Iceland, and that is when I realized that it's so convenient to use, because you can just use it as and when you require, and it will not leave any oily or sticky residue or spoil your makeup, which is so perfect. Also, I was pretty satisfied with its performance as a sunscreen because I used it throughout my 10-day trip in Iceland and I did not get tan even one bit. So if you're someone who is looking for a good sunscreen mist, then this is the one you should definitely check out. So that was my skincare favorite. Now coming on to makeup, the first product that I want to talk to you about is this makeup brush. This is a dual-ended makeup brush, and I got this from Amazon, and this brush was suggested to me by Vidhu. So this is actually a dual-ended brush. So one side has this flat eyeshadow brush, which is perfect to pick up the colors and just place it on your eyelids like this, and the second side is a fluffy blending brush, which is again needless to say, it's perfect for blending as well as if you would like to place the color in your crease like this. So if you're a beginner in eye makeup, then you should definitely check out this brush, because a single brush will help you create a basic eyeshadow look very easily. So I will highly recommend this brush to you. It's only for rupees 180. The second makeup product is this Makeup Revolution Iconic Palette. So this palette contains a bronzer, it contains a highlighter, and it also contains a blush. So if you're someone like me who likes to carry multi-utility products, this is a must-have palette for you, because then you do not have to carry 3 different products. You can just carry this single palette and it is just going to sort you out. This palette is for rupees 850. And the fourth product is this Agaro Facial Hair Trimmer. I purchased this trimmer for only rupees 500. Now I definitely do feel that keeping a trimmer handy while you travel is very important, because then you don't have to be conscious while you travel about your facial hair. You can just trim it as and when you feel like. So this trimmer head has 2 sides. One side is a big head to trim your facial hair, your side locks or your chin area, and the second trimmer is for shaping your eyebrows. So I found it very handy when I was traveling, and that is why I thought that I should definitely include this in my monthly favorites. So I will definitely recommend you to buy this one because it's only for rupees 500. Yeah, so this was the last product. So yeah, I think that's all for my November favorites video. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't it already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.